One of the most critical aspects of starting a business is financing. No matter how great your idea is, without proper funding, it may never get off the ground. It can be overwhelming to navigate the various options for financing your small business. From traditional bank loans to crowdfunding, there are many paths to explore. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of financing your small business, from seed to success. We'll cover everything from creating a business plan to finding the right investors, and we'll help you determine which financing options are best for your needs. Whether you're just starting out or looking to take your business to the next level, we're here to help you achieve your goals. Before we proceed, kindly like, comment, subscribe and turn on the notification bell. 1. Introduction. Why financing matters for small businesses. Small businesses are the backbone of any economy, creating jobs and generating revenue. But starting and growing a business requires a significant amount of capital, which is not always easy to come by. That's why financing matters for small businesses. Whether you're starting a new venture or growing an existing one, financing is essential to help you cover your initial or ongoing expenses. This can include everything from purchasing inventory to leasing space and equipment, marketing, hiring employees, and more. Without adequate financing, it can be challenging to keep your business afloat, let alone grow it to its full potential. In addition, financing can also help you to take advantage of new opportunities, such as expanding into new markets, introducing new products or services, or acquiring another business. However, financing can also be a double-edged sword. Taking on too much debt or choosing the wrong financing solution can put your business at risk, or even worse, cause it to fail. That's why it's important to understand your financing options and choose the right solution for your needs. In this video, we'll explore the different financing options available to small business owners and provide tips on how to choose the right one for your business. 2. Understanding the different types of financing available. When it comes to financing your small business, there are several options available, each with its own advantages and disadvantages. Understanding these different types of financing will help you make informed decisions about what would be best for your business needs. Firstly, there is debt financing, which involves borrowing money from a lender and repaying it over time with interest. This type of financing is suitable for businesses that need a large sum of money for a specific purpose, such as purchasing equipment or expanding their operations. The most common types of debt financing include bank loans, lines of credit, and credit cards. On the other hand, there is equity financing, which involves selling a portion of your business to an investor in exchange for funding. This type of financing is suitable for businesses that have the potential for high growth, as investors are typically looking for a return on their investment. Common types of equity financing include angel investors, venture capitalists, and crowdfunding. In addition to debt and equity financing, there are also alternative financing options available, such as grants, microloans, and factoring. Grants are non-repayable funds that are awarded to businesses for specific purposes, such as research and development or environmental initiatives. Microloans are small loans typically used to help businesses get started or to purchase inventory or equipment. Factoring involves selling your accounts receivable to a third party for a percentage of the value, which can provide immediate cash flow for your business. Ultimately, the type of financing you choose will depend on your specific business needs, financial situation, and goals. It is important to carefully consider all of your options and to seek advice from a financial advisor or accountant before making any decisions. 3. Bootstrapping. Financing your business with personal funds. Bootstrapping is a term used to describe the act of using personal funds to finance your business. This is one of the most common ways to finance a small business, especially in the early stages. Bootstrapping your business allows you to maintain complete control over your company without having to give up equity or control to investors. This means you can make decisions quickly and pivot when necessary without worrying about outside input. There are several ways to bootstrap your business. One way is to use your personal savings to fund your startup costs. If you have a 401k or IRA, you may be able to withdraw funds penalty-free to invest in your business. Another way to bootstrap your business is to use your personal credit cards or take out a personal loan. However, it's important to keep in mind that these options come with high interest rates, so it's important to have a plan to pay back the debt as soon as possible. Bootstrapping may not be the easiest way to finance a small business, but it can be a great option if you are willing to take on the risk. It's important to have a solid business plan in place and to be prepared to invest a significant amount of your personal funds into your business in order to see it through to success. 4. Alternative financing. Exploring other financing options. When it comes to financing your small business, traditional financing options like bank loans and credit cards may not always be the best fit. That's where alternative financing options come into play. Alternative financing refers to any type of financing that falls outside of traditional bank loans and credit lines. One popular alternative financing option is crowdfunding. Crowdfunding involves raising money from a large group of people, usually online. This can be a great way to get your business off the ground, as it allows you to reach a wider audience and get your product or service in front of potential customers. Another option is invoice factoring, which involves selling your outstanding invoices to a third-party company for a percentage of the total amount owed. This can be a great option if you have slow-paying customers, as it can provide you with immediate cash flow to help you grow your business. Merchant cash advances are another alternative financing option. This involves borrowing money against your future sales, with the lender taking a percentage of your daily sales until the loan is paid off. While this can be an expensive option, it can be a good fit for businesses that have a strong track record of sales but may not have the credit history to qualify for a traditional loan. No matter what type of alternative financing you choose, it's important to do your research and make sure you understand the terms and conditions before signing on the dotted line. With the right financing in place, your small business can thrive and grow. 5 tips for a successful financing journey. Financing your small business can be a daunting task, but with the right approach, you can secure the funding you need to help your business grow. Here are some tips for a successful financing journey. One. Start with a solid business plan. Before seeking financing, make sure you have a well-thought-out business plan that outlines your goals, target market, and financial projections. This will help lenders or investors understand your business and assess your risk. 2. Know your credit score. Your credit score is an important factor in securing financing. Make sure you know your credit score and take steps to improve it if needed. By following these tips, you can increase your chances of securing financing and taking your small business to the next level. We hope you enjoyed watching the video on financing your small business from seed to success. Starting a business is a daunting task, and often the biggest challenge is securing the necessary capital to get it off the ground. However, with the right planning and execution, you can find the funding you need and grow your business to new heights. Remember, there are many financing options available, so don't give up if one doesn't work out. Keep working hard, stay positive, and always keep an eye out for new opportunities.